Hey everybody, this is Marcus, and I'm going to give you the quickest video here that I've probably ever given. So anytime that someone asks me, or a number of people ask me the same question a few times over in a week, then I feel like I should make a video about it, because there's obviously some people who don't know some of the simple functions of OnlyFans and AVN stars. So the one that came up this week was about geo blocking. Now, what is geo blocking? Geo blocking is a setting you can do in OnlyFans or AVN or really any other platform that blocks anyone in a certain region from seeing your profile and your content. The reason this is used by some models is if they don't want to be seen by anyone in their country, they rather only show their stuff to anyone else to be protected and safe. They'll use geo blocking to do that. It's just a way to stay safe. So anyway, let's get right to it. So if you're in your OnlyFans and you click your the icon over here and you go down to settings, and then you want to go to security, and then scroll all the way down, and you'll see right here it says IP and geo blocking. And so you can just click the drop down, select your country, and if you set that and click save changes, then no one in your own country is going to see your content. Keeps you safe. And the same thing in AVN. If you click your drop down and go to settings and privacy, and I believe it's under no, it's probably under privacy. Yeah, and then you scroll all the way down, and where is it? IP and geo blocking. So same thing. You can select your country, and then you save your changes, and then you're good to go. So that was just a quick rundown, so that if people are new and they're not sure if they can say anonymous in the country they live, you can use that feature. All right. Leave any comments below if you have any questions, or if you want me to explain any of the functions or features in AVN or in OnlyFans. I'll get to it. Have a good day.